In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Plenty of Fish account on your phone. If you're looking for a tutorial on how you can do it on the computer, then I'll leave a link or a card on screen now which will take you to that one. So if this does help you out, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. So to do it on the phone, it's pretty much the same as doing it on the computer. What you need to do is obviously log into the account you want to delete, and then come up into the menu and click on these three lines. Then you want to scroll down and you need to head to the help section. Once we're there, we can then zoom in and we need to go to the remove profile section, which is at the top. Then we can click on here where it says click here under to delete your POF profile. Once you've done that, you're then going to be taken to this page where we can scroll down and it says to delete your account, click here. Then again we can scroll down again. Now we just need to enter in your username, your password, and fill out all of these other fields. And then we can scroll down again and then you can click delete account, and that's going to delete the account forever, and that's how you do it. So if that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.